left.
I do not know who thou art, but by thy hand I can finally depart this earth and go to the builder's home. It is only fitting that I reward thee. In the winter tunnels beneath the cloister, seek thee a room with a mural on one of the walls. In the upper right-hand corner of this mural, spy out a hidden button. Press that button. Thou hast what thou wilt find there, and my full thanks. Farewell.
Right.
Betrayal will force you to see Garrett. Greed shall be your undoing, poor Garrett. Deception is your power, Garrett. Do not let fear control your path, Garrett.